We're here and we're serving.
Hi guys, we're at Candy Hill. Wait, Candy Cane Hill. We're here to cut down a tree. Lincoln, you want to be in the vlog? Like,
no, put him in the snowman.
Lincoln. He's like, please, no.
Put him in the snowman.
Yeah, maybe he doesn't like the penguin. We're on the hunt to find the tree. This one's nice.
This is a nice tree.
Ew, that's small.
Speak. Nice, Larry. Tree full in face. Okay.
And he's doing it with his right
We
hand.
had enough like stumps. So we actually put it on
Down. I'm yelling timber.
Alright, so we're gonna hold the tree though.
That's yiny.
You did like half of it already. You could have finished it.
Guys, sniff it.
Can you put the
My
tree
arm
up,
was
please?
hurting.
I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it.
Rachel, you gotta see the view, Rachel.
Oh, this is a better like pick.
Rachel.
Rachel, I fall, Rachel. Whoa.
Beep beep. Is that my bestie and a Tessie?
You guys know I love a good hop.
And they smell way better than that.
On Christmas morning, everything on your list. It's waiting if you go looking for it.
Ooh. We're putting up little Christmas lights in Mike's room. Oh! So we're gonna put them from here all the way up and then across over there. And then I only have 13% left, so I don't know what you guys are actually gonna see. Put in the video now with the Krispy Kreme from last week because we were gonna have Krispy Kreme again, but they didn't have the special flavors, so you're getting Thanksgiving vlog now. Hi guys. My shoes untied. We just got off the bus. We're going to the movie theater. We're watching Thanksgiving, and then afterwards we're going to it's like this food place near the movie theater, but on TikTok it looks so good. It's like this Korean barbecue fried chicken place. So Chick was closed, so now we're on the side of the road walking through Central Park. I'm getting birria tacos. I don't know what this is turning into, to come along with me. It's like a mashup now. We're back because we didn't get to go to Chick. I don't know if this one's yours. I think this one's mine. I got the holiday flavors for you guys. Wait, I should probably try this after. Try it after because I got birria.
And I just got plain old chicken
With Zach sauce. Ooh.
After
Okay.
seeing that guy's quesadilla, I kind of wanted one too.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Just needed to put the
With the little glare. I'm gonna get it all over the place.
To be honest, I feel like you wouldn't even need that.
To dip it in, yeah.
It seems like there's already sauce on it.
I'm wet. It's wet.
That's good.
You guys eat first.
I should have got that. One, the quesadilla.
The quesadilla. Oh, I'm literally already getting it all over me. You guys are gonna get one bite because I'm gonna be munching on this.
Is it a 5 stars? Is it an ordinary trash?
Give it the ordinary 5 stars. Paul post editing better figure that out. Oh my god.
That looks so good. That or Chick Chick?
Chick Chick.
Really?
I really wanted Chick Chick. In a later video, but the Chick Chick looks so good. In a later video, we'll do Chick Chick for you guys. Well, for you guys, for us. We'll clock back in when we're doing the crispy because this is gonna get like messy.
Is it crispy? I can't even show mine because mine is so basic.
Well, show for the basic girls.
Well, I guess it's kind of like Thanksgiving because they put Thanksgiving. Ew, this one looks bad. Thanksgiving sprinkles.
I got the apple filled one. It's just like,
That kind of looks good. It's probably like apple pie.
yeah. I'm gonna put this one down because I want to show you guys the other one.
Mmm, they're so fresh. I just spit.
This one doesn't feel so fresh. This one is the blackberry crisp one. Cause it's like supposed to be like apple crisp.
There's a lot of filling in there.
Okay.
Okay. Out of 10, what do you give it?
Like a 7.5, 8. It's not like
You made
gaggy.
it sound like it was the best.
No, it
that
wasn't
you've ever
gaggy. It was just like, I think it's a little stale. It's like a little dense. Okay, now we're gonna try this one.
had. That one looks good.
Oh.
Any hole is a goal.
This one has like cinnamon in it.
Look at those apple pieces too.
Yeah, look at them.
Look at them, dude.
It literally tastes like an apple like cider donut, but with like the apple filling.
Mmm.
So go and get your Krispy Kreme, baby. Go and get your Krispy Kreme, baby.
What's a Krispy Kreme for the Thanksgiving specials, baby? I guess we did get like a Thanksgiving donut haul.
Thanks living.
Oh, good. Okay, back. I don't want to put it too close to the edge.
Yeah, because I was gonna like.
Because then you have to like put it here.
Did you guys like the cutting of the tree, or what you saw of the cutting of the tree? Fun, right? Are we in the clear yet? In the clear, girl. Copyright.
I don't know how long I have to.
It's fine.
Oh, I got scared. I thought that was the lights one.
It fell. No.
And you said it's fine. It's probably because I didn't know.
And it's off the hook.
No! No!
Just cut it. Alright, we're back with Krispy and some nails because it's the little hooks are not working.
Did it?
Okay, it's actually working now. Ooh, everybody in the comments. Ooh, ooh.
Linky, can you hold ladder?
Holding the ladder.
Oh, belly rubs after you just ate dinner.
Ooh, so symmetrical.
What's happening?
Looks really good.
It looks.
Oh,
Oh. I don't know if it will.
it sounds like.
You work on it. I was like, wait. It sounds like you're in my ear.
Weird.
Is it gonna like really?
What? 12 rebounds is like minus.
I'm scared.
That'd be good if it stayed like that. Perfect.
I don't think
Actually.
so. I don't know. I can just see him being.
Boom.
And then it goes like right. Oh,
It's actually looking
Alexa,
really
lights
good.
off.
Oh! You see it, baby?
You see that, baby? That's Christmas spirit, baby.
It actually, look how cool it looks as a background. That was the Christmas special.
Well, what
now? Checking in. It's now raining. We're going to Chick Chick.
Chick Chick.
Dum bum bum. Alright guys, we're here. We got the fries, waiting on the chicken from Chick Chick, but Mike's looking for a tree. Because it's a Christmas special. Oh my gosh. Red and green.
Oh my god, it really is giving Christmas.
Ooh, it's like extra crispy.
There, naked.
No, but you have like a little sauce on the side. I don't know. My favorite part. The pickle.
No, I love this place.
I usually like my pickles like tart, but I think this is like a sweet. Hold on.
1, 2, 3, go. I can't listen to the slow songs when my feelings way up in the ozone. Cause that version of me is long gone. Blue light burning my eyes, I'm feeling low. Swear I caught a contact high over the phone. Wide awake at 3:45, I'm all alone. Torturing myself over